अस्सलामुअलैकुम। तो आज हम आयरा के साथ मिलकर बनाएंगे लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ द बटरफ्लाई। इसके अंदर आपको चाहिए होगा कोई भी प्लेन पेपर, आप कलरफुल भी ले सकते हैं, क्ले, क्रेयॉन्स, ब्लैक मार्कर, पेंट्स एंड पेंट ब्रश। बहुत ही सिंपल और इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी है बच्चों के लिए, जिसके अंदर पेंटिंग भी होगी, कलरिंग भी होगी, कटिंग भी होगी और क्ले से भी खेलना होगा। तो सबसे पहले हम लीफ को कट करके रख देंगे और फिर इसमें ग्रीन पेंट करवाएंगे। कौन सा कलर है ये? विच कलर इज दिस?
Green.
वेरी गुड, good job Ira, mashallah, you're doing a good job.
Can you help me?
Yes,
Can you help me?
okay. Mashallah Ira, very nice. What are you making?
I'm making green.
It's a leaf.
Yes.
लीफ इज़ रेडी। और अब हमें कैटरपिलर बनाना है। उसके लिए आपको 2-4 कलर के क्लेज रखने होंगे और उनकी छोटी छोटी बॉल्स बनाकर हम एंड में ग्लू से ज्वाइन करेंगे। इस तरह से छोटी छोटी बॉल्स बनाएंगे और बच्चों से भी कहेंगे कि वो भी इस तरह से बॉल्स बनाएं। कम ऑन आयरा, जल्दी से बॉल्स बनाएं। शाबाश आयरा, बॉल्स बनाएं।
Okay. I did it!
वेरी गुड।
Red.
यहाँ रखें। मेक अ येलो बॉल।
Okay.
आई एम मेकिंग अ ब्लू बॉल।
I'm making yellow ball.
Very good. Now you'll make a blue ball. Very good. You're doing a good job, Ira.
I cannot make ball.
Can I help you?
Yes.
Look, first we will join this like this, and then we will do like this.
Wow!
Now we will make a caterpillar. How will we make it? Take
Rainbow.
Okay. Now you have to put the white ball.
White ball.
Yes, put white ball over here. Very good. Now put blue ball over here.
Okay.
Very good. Now put yellow ball.
Okay.
Oh, you know all the colors. Very good, Ira. Now we will put red ball. This one is the smallest one, so we will put this in the end, okay?
Okay.
सबसे आखिर में रखेंगे. Now put the white ball again. White ball.
Ta-da!
Very good. Can you show me white ball? No, we will put this in the end. Last में लगाएंगे, okay? Put the white ball. Very good. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, no problem.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Now put the blue ball
Okay.
here.
Okay.
Now put yellow ball
Yellow.
in the end.
Okay.
Now we will add red ball.
Red
Oh,
one.
put the red ball over here. Very good. And put the yellow ball in the front. Because this one is the biggest one, right? सबसे बड़ी है ना ये, तो हम इसको फेस बना देते हैं कैटरपिलर का. Oh, look, a caterpillar is ready. Now, what we will do, we will make eyes and happy face. So the caterpillar is ready now, huh?
Ready.
Can you tell me the name of the colors? Which one is this?
Yellow,
This?
red, white, yellow, blue, red, white, blue. Yeah, red.
Very good. High five. So I changed the eyes because they were too big. Leaf is ready and caterpillar is also ready. Now Ira will make an egg and then we will stick on it. And now we are making an egg from the white clay because the caterpillar was first an egg. Okay?
I make egg.
You're making an egg?
Yes.
Very good. What is this?
Egg.
It's an egg?
Yes.
Very good, Ira. ये तो आपने बहुत अच्छा बनाया है. Put it over here, Ira. Let's stick. Ooh, very good. Here is the egg.
I'm making another one egg.
Okay, Ira. We'll apply this glue and we will stick the leaf on it. Okay? Caterpillar भी stick करना है.
हाँ.
कैटरपिलर को इसके ऊपर स्टिक कर देंगे. आप लिक्विड ग्लू भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. हमारे पास नहीं थी इसलिए हमने इसको किया और ये स्टिक हो गया है. You like it?
Yes.
Now I will make a butterfly and then you will color it. Okay?
I want red.
Okay. You can fill it with any color that you like.
Yellow.
Okay. Very good, Aira. आप इतना अच्छा कलर कर रही हैं माशाल्लाह. Do you like it?
Yes.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. कौन सा कलर है ये? Which
Blue.
color is this?
Blue.
Very good. So you know all the colors, right?
Yes. Next time it's orange.
Next color is orange.
Yes.
You're making so beautiful, Ira. It's so beautiful, mashallah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And here it is ready. Ira, can you tell me the egg turns into?
Egg, butterfly.
Caterpillar. Egg turns into?
Egg, caterpillar, butterfly.
Shabash. Let's say it again. The egg turns into a caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
And then caterpillar turns into a butterfly.
Butterfly.
Very good. अब हम बनाएंगे यमी यमी सा खाना जो कि कैटरपिलर खाकर बिग हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
कैटरपिलर ये सब कुछ खा के बटरफ्लाई बनेगा.
हाँ. Ta-da!
वाओ आयरा, जबरदस्त.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, मुझे बहुत मजा आया.
Alhamdulillah. So this was the basic life cycle of the butterfly for toddlers. I hope you guys like this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel. See you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.